Well, another great day involving this Save Club thing. All right, how you guys doing? Good? All right, I'm just going to show you results and certain things that I do to be successful with Save Club. We have about 8 more days before the pre-launch is considered Zippo. It is finata. Is it finito? Does that mean finish? All right, that means that we're going to put a rocket in our bums and just haul some butt with this thing. I'm already doing that. I joined I'd say about a month ago, and I've had just a great time. People sign up literally almost every single day. They pre-enroll, they write me questions. People around the world excited that there's going to be kind of a worldwide Groupon that's online with millions of deals eventually, and an affiliate division where you can earn money by helping people save money. Okay, I can live with that. I'm a big fan of that. I love saving money. If there is a Kiss lamp on sale, guess who's the first person to click and buy it? I even bought some Kiss custom shoes the other day. I had them made, Converse, and they're in the other room. I wish I had them right now. I'd hold them up to the screen. Maybe in my next video I'll show you. But if there's something that says 25% off, 50% off, 2 for 1, I'm one of those guys that I'm going to, is that the fish thing? Like, put a hook. If there's Legos for sale or Kiss or Hot Wheels or something, I'm one of those guys that I'm interested. But if there is a deal attached to it, all right, that's when my gills come out and I become a fish, and I usually buy, especially when it comes to Kiss memorabilia, trinkets, and just insane, stupid stuff. And I buy every single thing Kiss has to offer, clear back since 1974, not to date my 51 years of buying their stuff. But let me just show you my screen, and I'm going to tell you how I've been able to be successful in Save Club. And also my little baby on my fridge, you can see Live Good. I've signed up 5 people just in Live Good in the last 5-6 days by using the same routine. Call it a system. Call it what you want. Call it rock and roll. I'm going to go ahead and just share my screen. All right, guys. This is the first thing, the end all be all. This is my holy grail. This is my hallelujah. Those 2 links right there on the left of your screen and on the right. ilovesaveclub.com. You click it and you're going to go to a capture page, which you get if you pay the $60 to be an affiliate. Plus, you're a VIP if you join for the year, so you make even bigger commissions. And you just think about that when it comes to your budget. So do you have $19.97 right now, $20? Do you have $60 to go ahead and get your website and your capture page? It looks exactly like this. You're going to watch the YouTube video. This is our founder, CEO, Charles Moy. He's going to talk a little bit. I like him talking. I want you to get to know him. And by watching the 6-minute video, I think it's really good information. Are you in, out, or maybe on the fence with Save Club? Fill this out right below. I'm going to point. That's right below my little face here with my 7-Up hat. Put your information in and hit that orange button, and you're going to get more information about Save Club. As a matter of fact, you'll get 1 email for 30 days. And if you want to opt out, just hit unsubscribed whenever the next email comes. But save them if you're going to go ahead and join, because you can learn a lot from them, those emails. Now, obviously, when you put your information here and click this orange button, you will get a Save Club email. You just open it up, click the join button, and you're going to get a username, a password, and you're going to have a back office that looks exactly like this. Okay, you can screw around a little bit, go to the home page, your membership. Like I said, you can join by the month or the year, and if you do join for the year, you get bigger commissions. All I can say is, hell yeah. My info, go ahead and just put your info in there. It's real easy. And you're going to configure your bank account if you'd like, because I have a pretty good idea. You want to get paid every Friday. Tomorrow we all get paid. We're excited. I've been working hard the last month, and I've been able to come up with, like I said, a routine. It's just something I do every day. And if you join my team, my group, I hope you do what we do. Okay, we've been tremendously successful. We've signed up thousands of people over the last 30 days. And with myself, just look at the screen. People pre-enroll. That's where you, if you're kind enough to go to ilovesaveclub.com, you'll put your information in. You can see this morning I already got 3 people. I had someone upgrade already. Yesterday I had 2. Day before I had 9. But you can say I have 1, 6, 7. Wait, is that 6? That's 8. I've had 8 million people sign up just in the last few days. Maybe I should fix my glasses or my calculator on my watch. I don't even have a watch on, but anyway, I'm excited for the 8 people that joined my team. The first thing I do is I email you. I want you so badly to do what I do and my team does. That's make it fun. All right, get yourself a fun domain. Screw around with it a little bit. If your name is Bob, I work with Bob. Work with me now. All right, I bought ilovesaveclub.com, and I also own Save Club Funnels. And boy, that funnel system, I'll end my video with you going to that link. But boy, that's really put some fire, some nitromethane on that flame. Okay, and the results speak for themselves. All I can do is just show you the leaderboard. Right now, as of this morning, where am I? Okay, it looks like I'm tied 7th place with Cedric. All right, so out of the thousands and thousands of people that have joined worldwide, it's nice to be on the leaderboard, especially the top 10. And like I said, I keep things real simple. In the back office, I want you to just go around, screw around a little bit, hit my earnings, and see that select your payment option. That's where you configure your bank if you live in America. Or cryptocurrency. Get yourself a credit wallet, iBit, payout. Oh, you guys know how to do the crypto thing. And if you don't, you'll figure it out. Go ahead and hit that credit wallet button. And then you can also transfer commissions. You know, we even are going to get a little Visa card where if you get paid every week, let's say you get paid $1,000. It's nice if you have a little card in your hand. Boom, you can go ahead and just use that like a Visa card here in America or anywhere where Visa's accepted. And that's coming out real soon. We'll keep you posted. I just found this out a couple days ago with Pete, David, and our CEO, Charles Moy. Okay, now that is how you configure your banking. Because a lot of people, when they join, they forget to click My Earnings and select your payment option. Okay, now with My Deals tab, if you look at your screen, this is where you can go anywhere on planet Earth. I just had someone sign up this morning. They lived in Arizona, and they wanted to know what kind of deals they had. So I went ahead and just put in their zip code, and boom. There's just tons of deals all over. And yes, we're going to Canada. We are going to Mexico, the UK. We're going to Australia, Asia, African areas. This is a worldwide thing. And like I said, I compare it to Groupon, except it's online. And you're going to have better deals than Groupon because we're going to have a big database of 1 million maniacs or more wanting better deals than Orbit or Priceline. And if I see a better deal, I'll probably motivate my little butt. I'll put a little feather in my little thing, and I'll probably go ahead and take advantage of that hotel or maybe the flight, maybe a lift to the airport. I go to Walmart a lot. I went to Discount and bought tires for my Hummer. You know, I have 4 of those damn things. Who needs 4 Hummers? I sure do. I love military vehicles. I have a lot of fun living at the gas stations. And if I can save $400 on tires, I'll tell you what, I'm pretty happy because each tire is $500 a piece and I needed 5 of them. Okay. This is a great opportunity to save money. This is not some cash bonanza with polished balls where you join, make $1 million and go to the next deal. This is good old fashioned savings. You just join, you relax, go to this page right here. It's just under My Deals. Go ahead and put in your area zip code right there. Okay. And let's put in Las Vegas. Boom. Hit search. And you know what? All the deals around Las Vegas, from hotels or Disneyland, of course. But I like it because it also has little businesses, local businesses. My friend's tanning salon is in there. I'm going to try to get my friend, we're redoing a gentleman's club right now. We're going to see if we can get like half off at the door or something, or maybe free at the door. Who knows? We'll work it out. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. All over. Look, Smash Burger. That's very popular. Sun Auto. My friend owns that. I used to live in Vegas on and off 10 years. But look at that. Just all the deals, hotels and vacation packages. There's cruises. Anything that you can pretty much buy or hire for a service is going to be in Save Club. All right. There's no doubt about it. It's very exciting. We're about 8 days out from launch because today is May 22nd. It is a Thursday. So we got about 8 more days. And I want you to join now. Okay, please join now if you're going to be an affiliate. I want you to kick butt and take names. Okay, here's the Here's the two links I want you to look into. ilovesaveclub.com will take you to this page right here, but the reason I'm so successful right now, there's no doubt about it, the funnel. Everybody is getting this funnel. Every day I get about 5-6 people, which puts another $100 in my pocket for the day. So thank you for that, by the way, because I get $20. And guess what? Each month when you have the funnel, I get $20 from the funnel that we use. So I'm a big fan of recurring income. So not only do I make $20 to $32 if you join Save Club, thank you. And you're going to have the same thing. You're going to have the same little feeling in your stomach making all these $20 bills. But I want you to have a recurring income too, like the funnel. Right now, I'm well over $800 a month already with this funnel. I'm on day number 6. So next month, I have $800 coming in. And you know, by the end of the month, I still have about, 8 days? I have no doubt about, I'm probably going to have about an extra $1,000 a month coming in just from the funnel. Has nothing to do with Save Club. Okay, now how do you get information? You just go to these two links right here. But the funnel system, if you're already in Save Club, don't worry. The funnel system is just something nice that takes you through a longer journey. It explains Save Club better. You don't have to do video like I'm doing. There's a 20-minute video, and it explains Save Club awesomely. It even explains the compensation plan, how I make 5 different pays. That's pretty cool, isn't it? 5 ways. And tomorrow is payday. We're all excited. And boy, if you're watching my video, I think you're in the right place at the right time. Please don't sit on the fence on this, though, because we're in pre-launch mode. And some of the biggest downlines and the biggest groups are being formed right now in the next 8 days. Okay, that's just the way it goes. He or she who joins these opportunities, usually the first 30 to 45 days, they have substantial downlines in groups. I have a great team. If you join this funnel system, I'm going to get you free pictures, free banners. They're all done for you video, where you just go to any platform like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you upload the video and just make sure your link to Save Club is accurate. My example is ilovesaveclub.com. I put that all over. Everywhere I go, I just put I love Save Club. And if I go ahead and put saveclubfunnels.com, like you will, it'll ask you first thing, are you in Save Club first? And if you're not, it'll have you sign up for Save Club first and then get the funnel system. And let's get you a bunch of $20 bills coming your way every single month. So if you get 5, 10, 15, maybe 50 people with the funnel system, what's 50 times $20? That's $50 billion you're going to make. All right, you'll be with Elon Musk, maybe flying around to space, visiting Uranus and the moon, and maybe coming back in Fiji working on our tans, okay? All right, there's the 2 links. I'll just leave you with that. Peace and love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my email address if you need something. Just go to Cory@CoryDraper.com. I'm easy to find on Facebook too. Just inbox me there as well. All right, guys, I'm outie. You have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.